आज का ये अवसर हमारे लिए विशेष है क्योंकि हम उन युवतियों को सम्मानित करने जा रहे हैं जिन्होंने अपने साहस, दृढ़ निश्चय और मेहनत से न केवल अपने जीवन को सशक्त बनाया है बल्कि समाज में भी प्रेरणा का स्रोत बनी है। ये बेटियां हमारे भविष्य की उम्मीद हैं, जिन्होंने अपने कार्यों से यह साबित किया है कि हर चुनौती को अवसर में बदला जा सकता है। हमारे मंच पर उनके योगदान और संघर्ष को सम्मानित करने का अवसर पाकर हम खुद को गौरवान्वित महसूस करते हैं।
Now I'd like to invite
All the dignitaries and HOIs are requested to please be on the stage to felicitate the girls. So first up we have Ananya Srivastava. She is a medical student. She is a writer, poet, and she has published articles in newspaper. She has won International Albert Barrow Award. And she was a winner and gold medalist in creative writing at school level in Jaipuria. And she was selected in top 3 poets all over India in an online competition.
Next, we have Shreya Srivastava, currently pursuing an integrated BSc B.Ed in Special Education at Amit University, Lucknow. She has gathered national and international recognition, including the Best Achievers Award 2022 and the National Language Bhushan Certificate, while excelling in poetry competitions, securing top positions at national university level, and publishing her work in esteemed magazines and newspapers such as RK Publications and Amrit Prabhat. As the founder of MSME registered Diet Writers community, she has successfully organized over 100 online and 15 plus offline events, showcasing her leadership and organizational acumen. Additionally, she has authored and compiled several anthologies, including Abhigya and Night Riders, and consistently won allocates in writing contests like Sapno Ki Uran.
Next we have Divina. Divina is a passionate house captain with a love for theatre, singing and Kathak. Inspired by her mother's dedication to helping the needy and her father's career as a cardiologist, she aspires to follow in his footsteps, combining her desires to serve others with her ambition in the medical field. Next we have Vartika Verma. ये नवयुग कन्या डिग्री कॉलेज की छात्रा है और इनकी विशेष रुचि चेस में है। नेक्स्ट वी हैव ससा कटियार. She is a student and a professional tennis player. She is dedicated to athlete balancing, academics and tennis with equal passion. Next we have Bhavya Ashish. She is a record-breaking youth talent. She is 15 years old student and she has a Guinness World Record, Kalam World Record, Extraordinary World Record, High Range Book of World Record and Marvelous Book Record, showcasing her exceptional talent.
Next we have Gargi Nivedi. She won award and recognition for her excellence in Kathak. She is a winner of 2nd Lucknow District Dance Sports Championship 2024 and gold medalist in junior category in classical dance style.
Next we have Anshika Singh. इन्होंने 3 साल की उम्र से ही अपना गायन शुरू कर दिया था। ये बहुत ही टैलेंटेड इंडिविजुअल है। इन्होंने अपने नृत्य के माध्यम से काफ़ी सारे पुरस्कार हासिल किए हैं। Next we have Jigisha Tripathi. Next we have Arya Manu Shukla. First I would like to welcome Jigisha Tripathi on stage.
My name is Gargi Trivedi and I am 6 years old. And thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir, for giving this award. And today is National Girl Child Day, and I like Kathak. Kathak comes from the Sanskrit Katha, which means story. Kathak is a classical Indian dance form. It is unique movement and good for health. Pandit Birju Maharaj, King of Kathak. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gargi. Next up we have Anshika Singh, but due to examination she is not present here with us. Next we have Jigisha Tripathi. Congratulations, Jigisha. She is currently pursuing her bachelor's degree. She is a social worker. She is a national swimmer too, and she has done a lot of work. She has achieved a lot of awards. Next we have आर्यमन शुक्ला. इनकी खास बात ये है कि इन्हें संस्कृत भाषा का ज्ञान है और ये बात सुनकर कठिन से कठिन महामंत्रों का जाप बहुत ही आसानी से कर लेती है. Next we have Swara Tripathi. Swara is not here with us today. Her grandmother is here to receive her award. Swara ने 11 साल में देश विदेश में 1600 से अधिक मंच प्रस्तुतियां देकर विश्व रिकॉर्ड बनाया है. Next we have गिन्नी सहगल. गिन्नी ने बहुत सारे पुरस्कार जीते हैं, जिसमें से उन्होंने नृत्य के क्षेत्र में मनकापुर शताब्दी सम्मान, जयपुर राजस्थान में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार, नेपाल में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार. उन्हें भारत की संसद भवन में सम्मानित भी किया गया है. उन्हें हिंदुस्तान की बेटी पुरस्कार नई दिल्ली में मिला. नेक्स्ट वी हैव जानवी.
A third-year biotech student from Amit University, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow campus is a powerhouse of talent and determination. She combines academic brilliance and passion for bioinformatics and neuroscience. Beyond academics, she is serving as a president in Asha Club and is also recognized for her excellence in painting and crafts. She is a true all-rounder. Next we have Mehak Bhatnagar, a commerce graduate from University of Lucknow with an impressive academic record. She is a dedicated and accomplished individual. She has excelled in sports, winning multiple medals at national and state level. Additionally, she participated in 10 National Taekwondo Championship and Senior National Tennis Cricket Championship. She is an epitome of dynamic and inquisitive personality. Next we have Alankrita Pandey, a hardworking girl who ranked second in the Millennium School. She helped unprivileged and spatially abled children. She is an author and a creative graphic designer and also a state-level quizzer and a confident debater. Determined and kind, she aims to make a positive impact in the society.
Next we have Srijal Singh, a passionate young researcher pursuing a PhD and working as a junior research assistant at Amity University, Lucknow. Her achievement at such a young age underscores her dedication, skill and drive to make a significant contribution in her field. She has a very strong academic foundation. She has developed expertise in bioinformatics, network biology, systems biology. Next we have Gulpreet Kaur. Gulpreet is a talented painting artist and interior stylist known for her creative vision and artistic flair. With a unique blend of artistic expression and design expertise, she transforms spaces into a stunning work of art. Her passion for painting and styling interior reflects her ability to merge aesthetics with functionality, creating environments that are both usually captivating and deeply inspiring. Next we have Ananya Sharma. She won't be able to come to the stage. Next, I would like to invite Kavyanjali Singh Chauhan. Next, we have Jyoti Chaubey.
She is a high school student in Mahila Vidyalaya Inter College and is a first division securer. She have done her intermediate from Mahila Vidyalaya Inter College as well, securing first division as well. And she completed her nursing course from Krishna Nursing Paramedical Institute, Lucknow. She is presently working as a nurse in Lari Cardiology Center, KGMU, Lucknow since 4 years.
Next up we have Pooja Kumar. She is not present here. Her mother is going to take the award on her behalf.
She has completed her bachelor's degree from Ramadeen Singh Girls Degree College, Lucknow in 2022 and currently pursuing masters from the same. Apart from being which she has a job experience in billing from Square Enterprises and 2 months of internship as a HR from Support for Implementation and Research.
Next up we have Anupa Yadav. She is an educator, a motivational speaker and a very talented girl. She has achieved a lot in her academics, and apart from academics she has been working in a lot of co-curriculars in her school and college.
Next we have Soumya. Soumya Pandey is a recent graduate with a strong academic background, consistently achieving A1 grade throughout her education at Mahashakti Vidyapith IC Gonda and her ongoing bachelor studies at Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia University. She possesses excellent communication and collaboration skills with a passion for social work, public speaking and cultural activities such as dance, poetry and painting.
Next up we have Karishma Goswami. She is a very talented girl. She is an educator. Along with that, she is an enthusiastic girl in sports and co-curriculars. Apart from an academic excellence, she has done wonderful in co-curriculars and she has won several awards in speaking and writings in school. Next we have Akansha Verma. She has won recognition as sports person in several states. She is an educator and apart from that, she is a Lekpal.
I'm privileged to announce Akansha. She is daughter of my Surendra ji and she did her education by herself. She is farmer also, agricultural female farmer also. And she qualified the Lekpal and currently she is doing the Panchayat Sabha जो कार्य क्षेत्र होता है उसको ये लीड कर रही है. तो give a big round.
Next we have Sakshika Pathak, a dynamic 13 years old, excels across academics, sports and performing arts. She has won first position in Vasudha Science Exhibition, Inter-Amity Science Curriculum and Excelia Dance Competition. Her sports achievements include allocates in yoga, football and Atal Run. A talented performer and earned first division in her Kathak practical exam and shown DNA acting workshop securing the main role. Her openness to challenges and her dedication highlights her immense potential as a young achiever.
Next we have Tanshi Kamesh Tiwari. She is dedicated and accomplished law student and she has gained significant legal experience through internships at esteemed law firms like Cyril, Amarchand and Aditya Pratap law offices where she contributed to research on various legal topics including anti-competitive practices, liability determination and key Indian legislation. Her research work extended to environmental law during her stint at the Impact and Policy Research Institute and Judicial Training and Research Institute. Next we have Vartika Rajput. She is an educator.
To announce about the Vartika, she is the daughter of IT Bhundaya and she did the work for the एडिक्शन रिमूवल. यंगस्टर्स में जो नशा उन्मत्त चुका है उसके अगेंस्ट बच्ची काम कर रही है और बहुत सारे युवाओं को इसने नशा मुक्ति के तहत नशे से मुक्त कराया. Moreover, she is a telesecretary and educator. So I would like to congratulate her and do your best. Thank you.
Next we have Anika Srivastava. She is a wonderful dancer. At a very young age, she has performed on various platforms. Congratulations, Anika. Now I would like to request the dignitaries to felicitate Ananya Sharma. Very congratulations, Ananya. Give a huge round of applause for her. She is a girl with a lot of talents and she has achieved a lot despite her disability. She has contributed, she is an educator and she is a motivator. Now I would like to request the members of the selection committee and judges to please come on the stage. Dr. Shelly Mahajan, Dr. Alka Nivedan, Dr. Neha Mathur, Dr. Prachi Srivastava, and the judges Dr. Shalini Singh Vasen, Dr. Shilpi Srivastava, and Dr. Prekshi Garg. These are the members of the selection committee. They have selected these girls out of certain criteria to be awarded. Dr. Shalini Singh Vasen, she is currently not present with us. Dr. Shilpi Srivastava and Dr. Prekshi Garg. As we know, in the morning we had a reel competition, so now we will be announcing the result of this competition.
So at the first prize we have Pragya Tiwari.
Is she present here?
At the second position we have Basil Hayat. And the third position we have
The tie between two people, Arpita Khatri and Abhinav Singh.
all the girls, those who are already felicitated.
Invite the core team members of Asha Club. I would also like to invite Professor Dr. Manju Agrawal ma'am on the stage. First up, I would like to invite Raksha, Vice President. She is the Vice President of Asha Club. Next, Abhinav. He is the Secretary of Asha Club. The Treasurer of Asha Club. Tansa. He is the Tech Head of Asha Club. Ansha. She is the Media Head. And Aishwarya. She is the gender champion here. Now I would like to invite Aradhrika on the stage. She performed wonderfully today and she is being felicitated for this. Next up, I would like to invite Sahil sir on the stage. He always clicks wonderful pictures. Thank you so much, Sahil sir.
And the third position we have Arpita.
Tie between two people, Arpita Khatri and Abhinav Singh.
All the girls, those who are already felicitated, I request everyone to come up on the stage.